Hey G Squad, welcome back to this load of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a foldable duffel bag that's pretty small if you can see. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. So when you guys first take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So let's take out the bag first. Once you guys take out the bag, and see right here we do have the brand logo. And if you guys notice for the one that we got right here is a gray color. They do have it available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first I'm actually fully open it to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so once you guys fully open it, here is basically what the bag looks like. So you see the bag is pretty small, which is perfect for people who just want to carry like a personal item, maybe for like a few clothes or something. So for example, if you guys are going somewhere for like a 2-day trip or a weekend trip, you can definitely use one of these instead of carrying like a huge carry-on bag or something. But if you guys do end up using a carry-on bag and there's not enough space, but you guys need a little bit more space, you can definitely put this on top. Because the way how they designed this bag right here in the front, they do have the little gap for you guys to put it into your carry-on luggage for the handle option if you guys do want to. Let me see the way how they designed this one. It does give you guys a handle option for you guys to carry around really easily. Front part right here we do have a zipper, so it's going to open up. There's definitely enough space for you guys to put like your wallet or your power bank inside if you guys do need to. And right here on the top we do have 2 zippers, so let's open up. Here is basically what the inside looks like. So you see the inside is pretty spacious where you put a lot of stuff if you guys do need to. So maybe if you guys want to put like your pants, your clothes, or anything else, whatever you guys want to put in here, that is totally up to you guys. And the way how they designed this product does not have a shoulder strap. So if you guys do want one with a shoulder strap, there is another version available that basically looks exactly like this one. But here is basically what the product looks like for the front, and here is the back. And then when you guys do feel the fabric that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It does not feel like a thick kind of fabric. It is pretty thin, but it is strong enough for you to put a lot of clothes in here if you guys do want to. And even though this bag does not have a shoulder strap, you guys can still try to go like this if you guys do want to. And when you guys do look at this product online, they do mention how it's designed for women or girls. But if you guys are a man, it's completely fine to use as well. Like I mentioned, for the product, it is pretty cool. So that way, once you guys are done using it, or when you guys are not using it anymore, you can just fold it back up and just put it into the bag or put it somewhere else and strap it back together to keep it all organized. So that way the bag can be super compact and portable, which is really convenient, especially when you guys are traveling. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market are looking for a high quality duffel bag that is not too big. That is a small size, that's like a personal item that allow you guys to use it like Spirit Airlines or something. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have you want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.